Hey everyone, it's Maddie at liftedtrucks.com. We're excited to be here at Endurocross for the 5th year in a row as a sponsor. Some of the fastest off-road motorcycle racers are here tonight. It's going to be loud, it's going to be crazy, it's going to be fun.
It's Sophia. We've brought out some amazing vehicles for display. We've brought out a custom Toyota Tundra TRD Pro, a custom Chevy Suburban, a custom Ford diesel dually.
Thanks everyone for coming out. If you're looking for a Jeep, an SUV, or a truck, we have over 850 available, so go to liftedtrucks.com.